lead a dog's life. What a life, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. If I had a bone to be picking chicken or a steak, curled up there in an easy chair, man, that won't be hard to take.